Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to bring you our full review of the Lenovo Ideapad 3i laptop, one of the most stylish and advanced options in the ultra-thin laptop market. The Lenovo Ideapad 3i is a 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop with a full HD display, providing clear and vibrant images. Equipped with Intel Core processors, it offers solid performance for everyday tasks and multitasking. In addition, optional SSD storage ensures fast loading times and a smooth user experience, improving overall efficiency. The Ideapad 3i's compact and stylish design makes it easy to carry, ideal for users who need to work or study on the move. Touch functionality adds an extra layer of interactivity, enabling intuitive and efficient navigation. It also features a wide range of connectivity options, including USB ports, HDMI and an SD card reader, making it easy to connect to other devices and peripherals. All in all, the Lenovo Ideapad 3i is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile and functional laptop with a good balance of performance, portability and modern features. What do you think of the Lenovo Ideapad 3i laptop? Have you had a chance to try it out and leave us your comments below? And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech content.